welcome to Moscow, Russia. And I'm here in one of the tourist spots in Moscow. And I will tour you here. It's another episode of my places to visit in Moscow. So this is the Ismailovo Kremlin. It is the old Kremlin here in Moscow. So we will go there. That is a hotel, and on that part is the Ismailovo Kremlin. So let's go. Join me. I will go there and see what's up there.
Those buildings are wooden complex and cultural centers, and there is also a marketplace. They are selling goods. There is also a market on the other side. We sell some antiques, but I'm not planning to go there. So these are goods they are selling in this market.
These are beautiful clothes for winter. It says Kreml with Ismailovo. Dobro pasalavat. Welcome in Kremlin in Ismailovo.
According to Wikipedia, the Kremlin in Ismailovo is a unique center of culture and entertainment based at the famous Ismailovo Vermashach. Vermashach is a large flea market. It is built in an architecture style of old Muscovite Russia, which consists of a colorful ornament and modern architecture in the Russian style. It is an imitation of Moscow from the early 17th century, based loosely on what palaces in Russia looked like in pre-Petrine times, but also inspired by drawings of Russian fairy tales. This complex is used for several weddings, and it has a wedding palace, a restaurant, and bars. It is also an amusement park and open-air museum for the children. It has a theme of old Russia. This wooden building is the Sanctuary Nikolai's Temple. It is the highest wooden temple of Moscow, Russia. On the other side of the temple is the Tsar's Palace, and it is built in accordance to the original drawings of Tsar Alexei Palace in the 17th century.
You can buy your souvenirs here. The best. These are stores, souvenir stores.
This is a tree of wedding locks. So if you will have your wedding here in Ismailovo Kremlin, you can come here and put your wedding lock.
You can take your photographs here. Maybe this fits for me, the very small one. Let's sale for bread. It's you have to pay to go inside. many toys inside. Inside are all stores, so no need for us to go inside. This is where they conduct the weddings inside. God, come and see. These are all paid. The entrance is paid, so not good inside. They conduct the weddings here inside. Soviet cafe shop. These are antiques.
This colorful building is modeled after traditional Russian architecture and fairy tale depictions of old Russia. It is inspired by the drawing of Russian fairy tales. I took this video in the bridge along the Ismailovo Park. So that is the Kremlin in Izmailovo from a distance.